How to stop subscriptions on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can stop your subscription on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to stop your Spotify subscription, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, you will not be able to cancel the subscription or the premium plan from the Spotify app itself. So instead what you want to do is simply open up your Spotify browser, or you can go to your browser and go to spotify.com. Then make sure you're signed into the account. Then after that, what you want to do is, if you have a premium subscription, you want to make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then go to this option called view account here. Then when you go to the view account, you'll be under account overview. If you look over here, if you have a premium plan, you'll find Spotify premium here, and instead of join premium, because I have a free account, you'll find the option called cancel premium right in this page, in this exact button. When you tap the cancel premium option, it will ask you for a confirmation. Just go ahead and confirm it. After that, the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. This way you can cancel your Spotify or stop subscriptions on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.